What's going on, guys? This is Chris from Subimods. Today I'm going to quickly overview the features and differences between the AWE Touring and Track Edition Catback exhausts for the 11 to 21 WRX and STI. Starting with the front of the exhaust, these Catbacks feature AWE's 180 Tech resonators, which is a fancy way of saying that they produce as little drone as possible while optimizing sound and performance. These exhausts are also full 3-inch mandrel bent stainless steel all the way back to the mufflers. They also feature a slip joint design to make sure that your installation is leak-free and as tight as possible. So the main difference between the Touring and Track Edition exhausts are these mufflers here. So the Touring Edition is designed to be quieter, but still maximize performance. AWE boasts 11 horsepower and 11 foot-pounds of torque above stock power. The Track Edition features the same piping, just without the mufflers. So not only do you get the choice of having mufflers or no mufflers, AWE also gives you the choice of having regular chrome tips, or their more stealthier diamond black chrome tips. AWE also is nice enough to throw in a free blow pop. If you still haven't made up your mind on which exhaust you'd like to go with, here's a few sound clips to hopefully help your decision.